In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create charts and graphs in Microsoft Excel. Charts and graphs are a simple way to turn raw numbers into something visual and much easier to understand. In Excel, you can create a chart in just a few clicks, as long as your data is organized properly. The most important thing is to begin by selecting the correct range of cells. Start by highlighting the cells that contain your data, and make sure to include the headers at the top as well. Those headers are important because Excel uses them to label your chart. This helps make the final result much clearer and easier to read. If your data has categories in one column and values in another, selecting both the labels and the numbers will give Excel what it needs to build a useful chart. Once your data is selected, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects to your worksheet. After you open the Insert tab, look for the Recommended Charts option and click it. When you select Recommended Charts, Excel will analyze the data you highlighted and show chart types that are likely to work well. This saves time and is especially helpful if you are not sure which format to choose. You will usually see a few common options, such as a clustered column chart or a line chart. A clustered column chart is useful when you want to compare values across categories. A line chart is often better for showing trends over time. Click on the chart style you want to use from the list of recommendations. Take a moment to choose the one that presents your information most clearly. The goal is to make your data easy for others to understand at a glance. After selecting the chart style you want, click OK. Excel will then insert the chart directly onto your worksheet. From there, you can move it, resize it, and position it wherever it fits best on the page. Keeping the chart near the original data can make the worksheet easier to follow. That is the basic process for creating charts and graphs in Microsoft Excel. Select your data, go to Insert, open Recommended Charts, choose a chart style, and click OK. That covers everything you need to know.